Okay, it's time to do the video about the optics lab, or rather the lenses lab. Not really the optics lab, the lenses lab. So you can see the sign here by all these textbooks. I don't know if these textbooks will be here like this or not. Normally those are in this cabinet, which incidentally at the moment is filled with all kinds of donations, which is kind of a problem, and hopefully that'll be taken care of before you're taking over this room, whoever you are. But in any case, optics kits by Vernier. You can see the arrow pointing down and it says below desktop. That is down here. So this is where I keep the optics kits, right? One of the kits, it doesn't have a box, and there's a story behind that, but I'm not going to talk about it right now. Short video, as short as possible. So that's one kit, and then there's 5 boxes. Each box is another kit. So just pull out one of these guys. It's called OEK, Optics Expansion Kit. It's made by Vernier. So let's come back over here by our Vernier track. And inside the optics kit is all this stuff, okay? One of these is a light source. Hopefully it's labeled properly. If not, you'll just have to find it, or the students will have to find it. There's no guarantee that these things will be in the proper places, okay? We have a power supply. Vernier is smart, and they make it compatible with anything from 100 to 240 volts. So you can just plug this right into the wall. No need for a transformer. That is the power supply for the light source. Okay. And I'll just go ahead and get that out. So this is the light source. Plugs in the back. Bam. Just like that. And then it plugs into the wall. Right. I'm not going to actually do that right now. This light source has 4 different modes. It can make a letter L. It can make 2 vertical lines. It can make just a dot of light, or it can make a number 4. So for the lenses lab, I would use the L or the 4, because those are the 2 things that you can see changes in the symmetry. Right, you can see if the image has been flipped upside down or whatever. So you might have noticed what I just did. I just clipped this on to our Vernier cart track. So this just clips right onto this track. So that's why this kit is so cool, because we can do lenses stuff just using the same cart track that we use for carts. We can attach lenses to it. And then like I've said before, there is a ruler, a meter stick built into the side of this thing. So you can just look through the side here. There's a pointed arrow, and the arrow points directly at the centimeters at which this is, even to the 1/10 of a centimeter, as to where this light source is right now. So the light source acts as an object, and then we can send the object, right? The light from the object can go through a lens, right? So it has to be one of the double convex lenses for the purposes of this lab. We can clip that on the side as well. Same thing. We can take note of exactly where it's located in terms of its position on the meter stick, and then we can put up a screen to make the image. Right? And there's a screen. So when that light source is on, the light from it passes through the lens onto the screen, and it creates an image. And the screen is even marked with a vertical axis and a horizontal axis. So you can see what's going on there as well. All right? That is how you set up the light lab. And there you go.